Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is February 24th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Freightos, a leading digital booking and payment platform for the international freight industry. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Freightos has been making waves in the digital freight space, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and future prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Freightos reported a fourth quarter revenue of $6.6 million, marking a 25% increase year over year. John, what does this tell us about their market position?
This revenue growth is quite significant, especially as it's the highest growth rate since Freightos went public. It underscores their strengthening position in the digital freight market. The increase in IFRS gross margin to 67.6% from 62.2% last year also highlights their improved operational efficiencies.
And what about their profitability metrics?
While they reported an adjusted EBITDA of negative $3.1 million, it's an improvement from the negative $3.8 million in the same quarter last year. This indicates that Freightos is on a path to reducing losses, which is crucial for their long-term sustainability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 9 cents for Freightos, but the actual EPS came in at 20 cents. What are your thoughts on this discrepancy?
The actual EPS falling short of the forecast is a concern, as it indicates that the company is still facing challenges in achieving profitability. However, it's important to note that this was based on a survey of just one analyst, which might not fully capture the market's expectations.
Does this affect the overall sentiment towards Freightos?
While missing the EPS forecast is not ideal, the company's strong revenue growth and improved margins might offset some of the negative sentiment. Investors will likely focus on their strategic initiatives and future outlook.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Freightos has been expanding its market presence. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives and market position?
Absolutely. Freightos achieved a record 350.4 thousand transactions in Q4, marking their 20th consecutive quarter of record transactions. They've also increased the number of carriers on their platform to 67, including notable additions like CMA CGM Air Cargo.
And what about their user base and transaction value?
The number of unique buyer users grew by 14% to 20.1 thousand, and their gross booking value saw a 50% year-over-year increase, reaching $280.7 million. This growth reflects their strong market position and the increasing adoption of their platform.
Financial outlook and future prospects. Looking ahead, what does Freightos' financial outlook tell us about their future prospects?
Freightos is projecting Q1 2025 revenue between 6.7 and 6.8 million, with full year 2025 revenue expected to be between 29 and 30.6 million. This indicates continued strong growth, with a year-over-year increase of 22% to 29%.
And how about their path to profitability?
They're forecasting an adjusted EBITDA of negative $10.9 to $10.2 million for 2025. While still negative, this is an improvement, and the company aims to reach breakeven by the end of 2026, driven by product launches and AI adoption.
Key takeaways. In summary, Freightos has shown impressive revenue growth and market expansion despite missing EPS expectations. Their strategic initiatives and future outlook suggest a promising path forward. John, any final thoughts?
Freightos is well positioned in the digital freight market, and their focus on innovation and expansion is encouraging. Investors should keep an eye on their progress towards profitability and market developments.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Freightos' performance in the comments below.